I don't have any money for repairs, renovations, or updates before my home comes on the market. Should I be discounting the price of my home? What if I told you that there is a way for you to be fronted the cost of those home improvement services before your home hits the market without any upfront cost? Today, I'm going to be talking about our Loyalty Concierge Program. Hey, Scott Himelstein with the Scott Himelstein Group. Hey, before we start talking about today's topic, our new Loyalty Concierge Program, reminder, if you're a home seller, check out our free home value report. And if you're looking to purchase a home, we have our free MLS search tool for properties all over Southern California. All right, so a lot of our sellers come to me and say, hey, Scott, you know what? I just don't have any money to do anything to the house. And it might be renovations, repairs, or getting the home ready for sale. They just don't have the funds, the cash funds available to be able to make the house look in tip-top shape to put the home on the market. And that's why I really like our new Loyalty Concierge Program, because it's an opportunity for our sellers to get top dollar. It's a hassle-free way for our sellers to be able to do the work upfront at no cost, as the work will actually be billed through escrow, and then at the same time have their home look as one of the best on the market. And that's what really attracts the buyers, like we've talked about so many times. So again, it's an opportunity for our sellers to be able to take advantage of doing things like staging, painting, redoing a bathroom, redoing a kitchen, fixing things like the roof, doing termite work, plumbing repairs, maybe the HVAC system, whatever the case may be. It's an opportunity to resolve a problem or make the home look better before the home actually comes on the market. So that's number one. And number two, as a seller, you know, the alternative is to discount the price of the home to reflect the repairs or the renovations that are needed for the property. And as a seller, you can definitely do that. But I will say that a lot of times the buyers only have enough money for their down payments and just don't have the time and energy to sit there to do a remodel. And they're willing to pay more and essentially finance the renovations and repairs into the cost of their mortgage to be able to not have to deal with it and move right into the property. And again, that actually ends up setting yourself as the seller and differentiating yourself from the rest of the competition. So if you have any questions about our Loyalty Concierge Program, give me a call today, 818-396-3311. That's 818-396-3311. And thanks again for watching our video blog.